Do you know what polarity or pinout to choose on your MTP or MPO fiber optic cable? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 different pinouts or polarities for 1x12 MTP or MPO cables. What I'm going to do is take a VFL, a visual fault locator, put it through an LC patch cable into each port on these 2 MTP cassettes and show you how the light propagates from port 1, for example, to port 1 on the second cassette. First, I'm going to show you method A. Method A is straight through. So as I go 1 through 12, you're going to see the light's going to propagate from port 1 to port 1 on cassette 2, and so on and so forth. So here we go. You'll see right now I have it plugged in. The VFL is putting light on port 1, and you see on cassette 2, it's going to be port 1. So as I switch these up, you'll see on cassette 2, you'll see it's now in port 2, and I'll show you a few more. You'll see now it's on 3. We got 4. Now we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This allows a straight through polarity. This is the most common choice when choosing 1x12 MTP because of you will now be able to cross your polarity with your patch cables going into your devices. I'm going to show you method B now, which is fully flipped, and we're going to put light on port 1, and you'll see that it's going to now light up port 12, and then we're going to go through all of them. Port 2, we'll go to 11, port 3, we'll go to 10, port 4, we'll go to 9, port 5, we'll go to 8, port 6, we'll go to 7, port 7, we'll go to 6, port 8, we'll go to 5, port 9, we'll go to 4, port 10, we'll go to 3, port 11, we'll go to 2, and last, port 12, we'll go to port 1 on cassette 2. Okay, now I'm going to show you method C, which is a pair flip polarity. This polarity is good if you do not want to use patch cables to cross your polarity. This will cross your polarity with the MTP trunk cable itself. All right, so we're going to put light on port 1, and you'll see cassette 2 has now light on port 2. And we're going to go to port 2, and you'll see on the cassette 2, port 1 is going to be lit up. So your polarity was crossed via the cable, the MTP trunk cable itself. We'll go through the rest of them just to show you and give you a visual. Okay. Port 3 will light up port 4. Port 4 will go to 3. Port 5 will go to 6. Port 6 will go to 5. Port 7 will go to 8. Port 8 will go to 7. Port 9 will go to 10. Port 10 will go to 9. And last, port 11 will go to 12. And port 12 will go to 11. Okay, so now I just showed you all 3 polarities in MTP or MPO cabling to help you make a choice on which pinout you would like to go with. Once again, polarity A is going to be straight through, polarity B is going to be fully flipped, and polarity C is going to be a pair flip, which allows you to just cross polarity within the cassettes and the trunk cable itself. Check out our website, landshack.com. We sell all of these cassettes, all the cable. We make it all custom, super easy to buy. Thank you for watching the video.